Feline's Guardian is a fictional non-profit organization dedicated to the welfare of stray cats. My main inspiration that had me undertake this project is my cat, Luna. I adopted her during the time that I approached the end of CS50, so I thought that why not utilize the knowledge that I gained from this course, particularly from Professor David J. Malan, and contribute to the cause that I care about. What makes Feline's Guardian stand out is I integrate user inquiry management system with a merchandise system. It allows the user to submit an inquiry related to the welfare of stray cat, track its progress, and purchase related merchandise. Let me show it to you. The user's session will be allocated using the telephone and a password that they provided. In their first time submitting an inquiry with Feline's Guardian, they will be asked to provide their full name and a password. For security reasons, this value will be processed before they get to put in the database, so that the next time that these users submit an inquiry with Feline's Guardian, they won't have to repeat this process again. Now we have successfully submitted the inquiry. Let's take a look at another side of this coin, the administrator page for the admin to monitor the inquiry. The admin will be able to directly manipulate and communicate with the database in this section, which allow them to delete the inquiry, update the status of each inquiry, and search for a particular inquiry. That's a lot of inquiry, to be honest. As you can see, each status has its own corresponding color to avoid confusion, but if the admin want to add a new status or change the color of the current status or edit something out, they can do so in the Setting tab. Now let's go back to the admin's homepage. The new inquiry that was recently submitted will be shown on the top of the screen. But however, if the admin already saw this inquiry in the inquiry management section, this new inquiry section won't appear on the screen. In addition, each admin will be able to have access to their personal note. The previous note that they already submitted will appear on the left-hand side of the screen. Another feature that I already mentioned but have not shown it to you is the merchandise section. If the session is already allocated for this user, they will be able to proceed to add the item to the basket. However, if that is not the case, the user will be directed to the login/register page. When the users check out their order, they will be asked to provide their full name and address, and then it's done. This is going to extend the time limit, but I think it already extended time limit, but I cannot leave this course without showing my gratitude to the CS50 staff member. This course really changed my life. It might sound dramatic, but that is true. I transitioned from law to computer science because the love I found for coding and programming through this course. And yeah, I am Pin from Thailand. This was CS50.